Hey friends, if you wish to enable and use Chrome flags on your Chrome browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. All you need to do is search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Now, here's what you have to do. Go to Chrome // flags and hit enter. So what are all of these flags and what does it mean by enabling or disabling them? So there are features which are not exactly a part of Chrome settings, but have been offered for users who know how to enable them through Chrome flags. One of them is smooth scrolling. Now this one is usually set to default, and if you wish to enable it, simply select this one and select enabled. Default basically means that it's disabled because by default all of these are disabled. So you will have to separately enable it. For example, this one, enable benchmarking, it's disabled. You can change it to default feature state. I mean, you have the option to enable all of these. So then you can click on relaunch and then it will relaunch the browser and it will show all the needful. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.